Come test drive the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM, FM, CD, MP3 radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.